Memorial Day 2024, and this will be the final construction update for this fire station. We've been documenting the progress for a couple of years now. Looks like it's gonna wind up opening about exactly 1 year behind schedule. Go over and look at the poster. I'm sure it's the same poster they've had up the whole time. It still says opening summer 2023. Even though we are now in late spring of 2024. This is going to be an impressive place when it opens, especially compared to the existing Fire Station 34 that has been there for decades on the corner of Avenida de los Arboles and Moore Park Road. That one will be going away when this opens. After this car goes by. Yep, the poster still says opening last summer. That's okay. Get a look over the wall. And we'll do one more look from the side over here. And then I'll go around to the side. Show how far back it goes. It's going to be a unbelievable facility when it's open. I'm not sure if it's simply going to be called a fire station or if it's going to be like a fire station plus a training center or something like that. Here's the side of the building, and you can see there's also a new building going in back there. There's well behind the main structure. Goes way back here. Yeah, so you see the gap between the back of the main structure and then that second building back there. Pretty big place. Probably opening summer 2024. 1 year behind schedule.